Fractions are parts of a whole. To write a fraction, we need to think about how many equal pieces the whole has been cut into. Take a look at this pizza. It has been cut into slices. How do we describe the pizza slices as fractions? It has been cut into 8 equal slices. This tells us that the denominator of the fraction will be an 8. Now imagine that I eat some of these slices and I only leave this much pizza behind. The number of slices that we have left becomes the numerator of the fraction. So I have a 3 in the numerator because I have 3 slices, and I have an 8 in the denominator because the pizza was originally cut into 8s, or 8 equal slices. Let's take a look at another example. Take a look at this chocolate bar. How do we write the amount of chocolate left as a fraction of the whole chocolate bar? We know that the denominator tells us how many equal pieces the whole is split into. In this case, the whole chocolate bar has been split into 6 equal pieces, or sixths, so we know that 6 must be the denominator. The numerator tells us how many pieces we actually have. In this case, someone has eaten one of the chocolate squares, so we have 5 of them left. 5 is the numerator. So the fraction of chocolate we have left in this bar is 5/6. The fraction of the chocolate eaten was one of these chocolate squares, or 1/6. Fractions like this have a special name. They are called unit fractions. Unit fractions are fractions that have 1 as their numerator. They always express 1 piece out of however many pieces we have cut something into. In this table, you can see some of the first unit fractions and their names. Notice that the bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces get, and therefore the smaller the value of the fraction.